Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for March 16th, 2023. Meta removes NFTs on Instagram and Facebook. Major tech company Meta is winding down the non-fungible token feature on its social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, about 10 months after they first launched. Stefan Casserel, Meta's head of commerce and financial technology, made the announcement on Twitter on March 13th, saying that Meta is winding down support for NFT to focus on other ways to support creators, people, and businesses. Casserel added that the company is still prioritizing ways to connect with fans and monetize and will focus on tools such as creating payment rails on its platform and through messaging apps, as well as monetizing reels, short videos that are posted on Facebook and Instagram. Specifically, Casserel mentioned that he would focus on MetaPay, the company's payment platform, which could support cryptocurrency in the future, according to May's trademark documents. NFTs on the platforms were relatively short-lived, as testing began in May with select creators on Instagram and expanded to Facebook in June. Deliveroo reports lower revenues in 2022. Shares of Deliveroo Holdings plc fell Thursday after the food delivery service reported lower than expected annual earnings and warned of an uncertain trading environment in 2023. In its preliminary full-year results, the UK-based company reported revenues of £1.97 billion, a 14% increase over 2021, but falling short of Bloomberg's consensus forecast of £2.03 billion. Founder and CEO Will Shu said in a statement that market conditions in 2022 were challenging. The service, like similar companies in the sector such as Just Eat Takeaway and Germany's Delivery Hero AG, faced headwinds throughout the period in the form of rising inflation, which forced consumers to cut back on takeout. The group also noted that growth in gross transaction values, a key measure of the total dollar value of purchases made on the platform, would be generally flat in the first quarter of this fiscal year. Oil price rebounded after Credit Suisse bailout. Oil prices regained some ground Thursday after falling to 15-month lows in the previous session as markets calmed somewhat after Swiss regulators threw Credit Suisse a financial lifeline. However, due to fears that banks around the world are under increasing stress, market sentiment remained volatile and both benchmarks gave up some ground early Thursday, pushing Brent up more than $1. Brent crude futures rose 0.8% to $74.29 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 0.7% to $68.08 a barrel. U.S. crude fell below $70 a barrel for the third straight day Wednesday, the first time since December 20th, 2021. Since the close of trading Friday, Brent crude has lost nearly 10% and U.S. crude has fallen about 11%. Credit Suisse said Thursday it would borrow up to $54 billion from the Swiss Central Bank to shore up its liquidity and investor confidence after a drop in its shares hiding fears about the global financial crisis.